Who this red hair girl? Who this red hair girl? Say hi. Look. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi.
Look.
Look where? What you showing me? Where? Look. You said look. What are you showing me? Huh? What are you showing me? Where you want me to go? Show me. She want me to go somewhere. Wait, under here? Something under there? Ah, your ball. There it is. Oh, it's the other one. There you go. Look. It's gone down there. Go get it. Find it? Yeah. Can you say cuckoo? Sarah. Say cuckoo. Sarah.
Bonjour. Hey, Wagwan. Hello.
In your Santa Claus outfit. You guys, let me tell you something about this red hair.
Bonjour.
How to think? My hair wasn't fully dried when I took it down this morning, so it was giving me a lot of shedding. But give me until tomorrow to tell you guys really what I think about this hair wax. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and I just came outside to sit in the sun. When I said it was giving me shedding, I mean a lot of red stuff was coming out this morning when I pull it out, red up all the bathroom. But I'll tell you guys later into tomorrow what it's like. But I love it. The color actually turned out pretty. So this is the look of it. How are you guys doing? I'm home alone with the kids today because babe has gone back to work for the first time in a month. Hubby's gone back to work. What do you have to say for yourself?
You want to look how I can lift my scooter?
Sarah, look what Sarah picking. Okay, is our ball she wants.
Look.
Sarah, come here.
This dusty.
Come here, let me see. Come here.
What?
She's so outdoorsy, this girl.
Look at me how
Let me see your hand. Come here. Wipe it on, mama. That's better. It's all clean now. She just woke up from her nap and both of them just have lunch.
Mama.
Yes, we're looking. What is it? Wow. You see why you're going to continue eating broccoli because you're getting stronger?
Yes.
Yes. Is the broccoli why you're so strong? Careful to your sister's head. They love outdoors and the weather here is getting so good. You on your jumper? You're jumping? You have to jump strong.
Look how high I can jump. Look.
Yeah, but you have to jump the same way on your jumper so it can squeak. You're too funny. See Sarah jumping on you. Sarah trying to make it squeak for you.
I think we need to be a little bit more on this side.
Well, you decide.
Yes, before I did that, look.
Because you're not... Jump, man. Keep jumping.
Wow. It did squeak.
Yes. You're too funny. Sarah, your turn. As you guys, as I was saying, it's that it's
Even more hot. Mama. Do you want to sit even more harder?
Okay. Careful to your sister. I was telling the guys that baby's come back to work. He's messaging me every 30 minutes to let me know he's okay. Hi. Hi. To let me know he's okay, I tell him please take it easy. Message me. Let me know you're fine. He's having lunch right now because it's lunch hour. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to leave y'all because I need to go set laundry for today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. And I'm here with my red hair. Right now, if I dust my hair everywhere, you see red.
I see a little bit of red here.
So I'll tell you guys about this redness.
This can't come off. So this can't come.
But I love it. Come sing for face. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you, Sarah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see
Why it called the reverse?
you.
Why it called
A,
the
B,
reverse,
C,
Mama?
D. Yeah, good job.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, would you sing with me? Yay! I suck.
Excuse me. Say hi.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 26 letters from A to Z.
I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you.
So bigger, big. Fourth entry.
I'm feeling better today because I got my workout in. I got my workout. I'm gonna show you guys a little of what I did this morning. This morning I changed up workout a bit. I danced until I was wet. It's funny, you know, people who don't enjoy working out, and if you enjoy dancing, dancing is one of the most effective way of staying fit and staying active. Just turn on your music and dance and bust a sweat, and you're good to go. You get in your activity for the day. I'm gonna put Sarah down for a nap now too. She just hit her head. She said, "Oh no, how? I'm sorry. Oh, come here. Come let Mama see it. Come here. Come here. Come to Mama. Come here. Go around. Come. Come here. You hit your head. You hit your head. Mwah. Oh no. Tell Fibs you hit your head. Head. Hit your head. Hush. 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 It's okay. You ready to go for a nap? You ready to go nap? Ready for nap? She's not ready for nap. Is she wiggling out? Yes, you're gonna go nap soon. No. Yes. What you talking about? No, about
What?
What? It's nap time. Okay? Okay? Give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss.
Water.
Water, please. Water, please. Guys, it's been such a busy, productive day. You guys have no idea how busy I've been today. I'm in the kitchen making dinner, and I am not cooking much today because I have a few leftovers. The only thing I'm cooking is that I'm making some vegetable soup, because Sarah don't eat her veggies unless it's in soup format, and she have to get her veggies in. So I'm making some vegetable soup so that I can have some left over for a few days. And I'm also frying some chicken because Tyler loves fried chicken, but it's in the air fryer, so that should be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this and dinner will be ready. That's the chicken that's air frying. I just turn them over so this side gets some more color. Ty, go and sit. And Sarah is having quinoa and chicken. Sarah already drink off her soup. You ready? Ready? It's not pizza. Please. Good girl. You see, you guys, she just said out of the blue sometime. You guys, we're here fighting over who eat off the chocolate. I bring some chocolate down and the chocolates vanish. Who? No, you guys, comment down below and tell me who you guys think really eat
I
the
think
chocolate.
it's her.
I don't think it's him. I know it's him.
I think it's you. Because I don't blame somebody without seeing.
I
so
don't have
maybe
to see
Tyler
you.
took some.
I
Maybe
know
you hide them,
Tyler
put
not
them
going to
somewhere
take
else.
any chocolate without asking me.
Okay, so
and
it's
every
you?
time I tell him yes, he take the
Maybe you
medium
save
size
them and
one.
in 2-3 months I see you with pink chocolate and I say, where you got that chocolate?
You guys, we have some bunch of small pink chocolate in a pan, and I took down some. I don't put all of them because I never put all of them. He's gonna eat up all of them, so I take down some and put in a space where everybody can take one. And now all the pink ones are gone. I know it's him because Tyler not taking any chocolate without asking me.
That's
Tyler
strategy.
not taking any candy
She
without
blame
asking
me,
me.
knowing it's herself. That's a defense strategy.
I couldn't tell when last I eat a chocolate. Now I go for one and there's none. You see? It's him.
She eat them with the petit beurre. Petit beurre.
You guys know that I admit
petit
to
beurre,
what I
chocolate.
eat.
Petit
And
beurre, chocolate.
who have chocolate
petit
mouth?
beurre, chocolate.
You know, all of them gonna say is you though, because you know it's you.
No.
He eats them so much that he don't even realize that they finish.
No. I admit that I took some at first, but it was so much remain. And then after I come back from the surgery and I want to take some, I said, where all of the pink gone? And I remember you tell me you love the pink one.
Of course I love the pink
So why
one.
is all of the pink one disappear? All of the others was remaining. He have to be you. He have to be you.
You know, if it was me, I would say it's me.
No. You will accuse me.
To all the couples out there, this is how you guys argue. Chocolate. We know you will, so don't wanna try hide it.
No, I don't hide.
Look at face I get red. Is it that?
No, it's always what's in the beginning. Is the lighting.
Guilty.
Look at you. You're red too.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's
Yeah.
vlog. It wasn't much, but I'm giving you guys what I have, of course.
Oh.
This one came home, and of course I know that it is first day at the office, and he was so tired he came home and went straight
Oh.
to sleep after he ate dinner.
I lost the used to nap. I used to nap in the afternoon.
All 2
'cause
times you used
feel
to nap.
tired, and used to wake up around like 9:30, 10.
Oh, that is
Wake
God,
up
the
at
lovely.
7. So no, it was tough. I managed, and I didn't really feel much tired. But once I reach home, it's like if he boom knock me, and I say, oh, I need to relax a little bit, cause excuse me, I need to relax a little bit because I won't make it. So I did. It was my first day out of home. It was my first day at the office since more than a month, since everything happened. And that was okay. I mean, no stress, take it easy. So no, that was okay. That was a good day. It also makes me out of the house. I realized I took some weight when I wanted to close the pants. I said, oh, you know. So
that's natural, Dave. That's not something for you to
when
worry
you
about
stay
right
a month
now.
at
No
home
activity,
without activity, without
stress.
nothing, that was
natural.
it. And I have this phone where they show me the step, and in one day I did as much step as I did in the 1 week. So, and I didn't really walk, it's just little walk that I did just every one and then, but I did more than.
Well, after the month checkup, then we'll know.
Yeah,
how to
that's not
proceed.
the-
But
the-
for
the-
now, you can't.
That's
do
not the
nothing.
focus. Focus is not on the weight, focusing on feeling well. I'm
Right.
okay. I mean, I feel it. I decided since this morning that I will take the medicine every morning for now, especially when I'm going to walk. I feel it. But this evening is not as bad as the other evening. I mean, sometimes I do feel it, sometimes I don't. And when I don't, it just say, damn, it feels so good, like I can go outside jogging. And just 5 minutes after I feel it. So it's just, yeah, so at least I'm not too bad. I'm not too uncomfortable. I'm not here being like this, controlling, and so that's why I would just continue taking the medicine for now. See how it goes. Maybe in a week, stop it just for the weekend, or take it every other days and see how it is. I just want to. For not to feel okay. I mean, medicine or not, I need to feel okay. So I rather take the medicine. The doctor tell me to take it now. At first it was only on demand, but because sometimes I don't feel good at all, she say that I should take it every morning to feel okay. The aim is not to feel bad. So yeah, I do that, and slowly I will see how I feel, and yeah, I'm gonna have a checkup around on the 10th of May, something like this. I will have a checkup with the doctor, so I will see at this time how will be the next future. For now, the days like this, we are what the 10 is just in like 3 weeks. So yeah, 3 weeks to do like this. Just have to feel good for my safe. Don't want to boom 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 and happy. Yes, you're the only one to give me boom 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 boom. But yeah, I'll be fine. Thank you again. Thank you for every little message, every support, every love, all of these things. I really appreciate it.
Alright, you guys, here you guys fantasy babe for today. My verdict on the hair color, you guys. Alright, let me tell you about this hair color. If you guys see that? I just touch it. Let me see if you guys can see. I just touch it and my finger becomes red. No, because it's a hair wax, I find that is going to always happen. So this kind of hair color, if you're looking for something long term, this is not for you. If you have a one-day event to go, then yes, but be mindful of the color on your clothes. It will go on your clothes, and it's not something for somebody who do a 9 to 5, because if you do a 9 to 5, if you have your hair up like this, then fine. But if you have your hair down, problem with you and your clothes is going to color up your clothes. So I wouldn't recommend hair wax to somebody who have a 9 to 5 job. Like I said, unless your hair gonna go up like this, and if unless this doesn't bother you, then it's okay.
So how do you manage at night?
Me? Cover your hair.
Okay, you cover your hair, you mess up just the cover, and that don't really. It look less bright
than yesterday.
It turns to,
because
from red it turns to kind of brown.
Because you know why it doesn't look bright?
Because all of
it was dropping on my shirt. So I went in the bathroom, hold my head over the bath and shake my head like this, and so much red come out in the bath. I said, okay, alright.
So it's okay, as you said, for like a day.
The excess.
Maybe now it won't have much, but it turns more to the brown,
right,
down to the red.
So if you want something for a few days, like 3 days max, because I'm sure by the time I'm ready to wash this out, a lot of it will be gone. But like I said, it's a nice little touch, but it's not something for you to do long term if you want it to stay for a week. If you're going on vacation, don't do this stay here, because it's gonna mess up all of your clothes.
Yeah, if you go to a Japanese Tokyo party, you can do it.
If you're going to a Halloween or any event that you want something quick and easy, yes.
Because how long it took you to color?
It didn't take me no time. I just wash my hair and put it in like this,
okay,
like 5 minutes.
It's a fast process.
Oh yeah, and it smells good. That's the only good thing about it.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys, that's my verdict on this, because I promised that I would tell you guys
What's your opinion?
Yeah, my opinion on it. But I like it. I like a touch. Anyway, you guys, that's it for today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch me up with the fan band, and we'll see you guys